Hello everyone. Today we shall look into Beyondsoft calendar. Here I have added the Beyondsoft calendar from my marketplace. You could get it from this Get More Visuals and add the Beyondsoft calendar chart. Here I have added. Once you click on the chart, you could notice that here I have two fields required. One is the date field and another one is measured data. As a date field, I could take my order date, and in the measured data I could view my sales or profit. I'll take sales as an example. So I have taken these two dates. Here you could see the outline of the calendar like this. We shall do some formatting to view it. In here we could see only one particular data of month, like month data. So I'll choose the 2015 data, and quarter only quarter one data, and even only January month data. Okay, then I would be able to see this chart. I'll zoom it a little bit, and I'll focus it, and I'll help you with the changes in the formatting. Here we could, as we click on the format, here we could see the calendar format. Either we could choose to show month only or month and year. Here I would like to show both month and year, so I would keep it the same. We could uh, choose it to show either short or long. In order to make it visible, I'll increase the text size. As I increase the text size, you could see now it is properly visible. And if I keep it long, you could see that my days has been changed to long. Week start days, if you want to change the week start day, you could change over here. The border thickness, this border, it has, if we could change the thickness of it, as you increase it, now you could see the thickness has increased. I would keep it the same. And the border color you could change. Suppose that I want to change it into some different color. Now I have changed it to a different color. Font color, I could make changes in the font color. I have changed the font color. I could even increase the text size or decrease the text size. The month, week and day alignment, I could align it. Here I have aligned all to the center so that it is properly visible. So these are the few calendar format settings. Let us move ahead and see how week numbers work. Suppose if I turn on the week numbers, here on the left side you could see that my week numbers are visible. To show it properly, I'll increase the text size. Now you could see that my week numbers are appearing on the left side. If you want on the right, you could shift it to the right by choosing this placement option. Now it has shifted to the right side. And you could change the font color. You could increase the font weight or text size. Okay, and this is how week numbers work. In the data colors, there are two things. First thing is you could make it fixed. Suppose that if I make it fixed, I would require the minimum color. I'll give the blue color, light blue as the minimum color, and dark blue as the maximum color. You could see that my minimum and maximum colors are working properly. And the center values, suppose that I give my center value as 10,000. You could see that my, according to my center value, now the colors has changed. And for the center value, even we could give some like color in between. I'll give this color. So you could see the changes in the colors based on the fixed colors. I could even like make the colors totally different. Like minimum color is orange, and maximum color would be green. So here you could see the difference how it works. Sorry, this center value color is green, maximum color is blue so far. Otherwise I could change alternatively. So here you could notice that my colors has been changed according to the fixed pattern. Here if you want the gradient, once you click on the gradient, you could see my options has increased. And you could also change the minimum and maximum color, and you could give the minimum and maximum values. Suppose that my minimum values are like 10,000, and my maximum value is like 20,000. You could see how the colors are varying, and it shows the difference quite appropriately. and the diverging like option shows that value diverging values in three different colors, giving you still multiple options to choose the minimum center and maximum values. Suppose that in the minimum color I want this minimum, like, and also in this I want blue color. Now my colors has been changed, and in the minimum values, suppose that I'll give 2000 values as the minimum sales, maximum sales as 20,000. You could see that this is my maximum sale which has happened on 20th January. This differentiation is possible once you choose the options wisely. So this is how data colors work, and Beyondsoft calendar is useful. In the data labels, as you could see, if I turn off the data labels, now my sales values are disappearing. If you don't want to show the sales values, then you could turn it off. Otherwise, you could turn it on and customize it according to the requirement. Suppose that if I want to increase the text size, I could change it. I could change the font color to maybe white, so that the values appear. And this is how formatting works in Beyondsoft calendar. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.